In this video series, I work through a math problem or problems each video. The FOIL method is used to multiply two binomials together. We can extend this process to the multiplication of any two polynomials. The two basic steps are still the same. We first write out and carry out all the multiplications first, then add the resulting terms together. These terms are formed by taking a monomial from the first polynomial and then matching it up with another monomial from the second polynomial. We need to make sure that we write out all pairings exactly once before we add them together. Let's take a look at the example. Multiply the two polynomials together and then simplify the resulting expression. So if we look at the two top polynomials, we have 3x squared plus 2x plus 4y plus 5xy multiplied by 3x plus 2y plus 6. Let's break up these polynomials into monomials first. So the monomials are 3x squared, 2x, 4y, 5xy, and 3x, 2y, and 6. The multiplications we need to carry out are multiplications of one monomial from the first polynomial and another monomial from the second polynomial. To make sure that we get a pairing exactly once, let me start out with just 3x and match this up with each of the four monomials in the first polynomial. So first we have 3x squared multiplied by 3x. We get 9x cubed. Next, we're multiplying 3x by 2x, which is 6x squared. Next, we're multiplying 4y and 3x together, which gives us 12xy. And finally, we have 5xy multiplied by 3x. So this gives us 15x squared y. Next, let's match up 2y with the four terms in the first polynomial. 2y multiplied by 3x squared is 6x squared y. And 6x squared y, we already have a term here with the x squared y, so let me write that here. Then we get 4xy. We have xy here. So let me write 4xy here. Then we get 4y squared. Y squared hasn't appeared yet, so 4y squared. Then we get 10xy squared. And we haven't seen xy squared yet either. And finally, we're going to match the 6 here up with the 4 terms here. So we first get 18x squared. So we got x squared here, so let me write 18x squared here. Then we get 12x. We haven't seen that yet. And 24y. And lastly, we get 6 times pi to 30, so 30xy. When we wrote the terms out, we made sure that the like terms matched up in columns. This way, when we carry out the additions, it's easier to see what like terms we have, so we know which terms we should combine together. So we start with 9x cubed. Then 6 plus 18 is 24. So we have 24x squared. Then we have 12xy, 4xy, and 30xy. So when we add them together, we get 2 plus 4 is 6, and 1 plus 3 is 4, so 46. We get 46xy, then 15 plus 6 is 21, so we got 21x squared y, and the other remaining 4 terms don't match up with anything else, so we can just copy them. So after multiplying this out and simplifying the expression, we get 9x cubed plus 24x squared plus 46xy plus 21x squared y plus 4y squared plus 10xy squared plus 12x plus 24y.